So it's Eric, the Swiss Army knife here, and I wanted to show you the back of the truck bed of an El Camino. I don't care what year it is, and with a lot of these older cars, you're going to have gaps in the back. Well, these show up as large gaps, and mainly they're large gaps because I use tools like this to pick out all of the goodies that were in here, all the old caulking that was in here, because it actually leaks up front and it goes into. And so what I did was get all the caulking out, and now I'm going to fill it with like an RV filler, so it drops in nice and easy. So that should take care of it. Make sure you have a good pair of gloves, paper towels, and maybe a little flat tool so you can push down all of the excess caulking. I'm just cleaning it up. I don't like to use gloves, so that's pretty much it. You know, just cleaning it up. Next is to completely grind the ribs and sand down the back. And I'm going to walk you around the bed so you can see all of the bees. It works really well, and it's going to be very elastic and keep the seal good, even, you know, with a truck flexing. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button and hit the bell for future stuff.